If there is one thing I hate more than anything in the world, it's wind, and it is so windy today. I have to go outside and do the afternoon horse chores, so let's see how quickly we can get them done.
I'm kicking poo at me. We've got sidetracked. Did I get you? Yes. We got to get the hay nets. Okay with yours? She's got it. Oh. Oh, there he is. Yeah, that's right, let's switch. Ow! The broom just hit me in the hand.
I'm gonna need some of this soon. And the salt.
You work. Alright, now we have to go put water in them. It's going through them. The wind! It's blowing the water out of my bucket. It's meant to rain. How much more rain could there possibly be? What are you doing? I don't really know. Say bye, guys. Hey, buddy. Hope you found your dad.